What you see now is the world's largest rear-drive rigid mining truck. The driver's daily salary is as high as 2,000 yuan. It is the XDE440 developed by XCMG XDE440 mining dump truck. The whole vehicle is about 8 meters high and 10 meters wide. It's as big as a 3-story building. It is equipped with an V20-cylinder, electronically controlled diesel engine. It is driven by an imported AC transmission system with a maximum output power of 3,007. It can easily carry over 400 tons of ore, which is equivalent to carrying 10 main battle tanks. To support such a large weight, its tires are naturally not simple. The diameter of a single tire is nearly 4 meters, weighing 5.3 tons. The cost of a tire is 500,000 yuan. Not only that, this big guy has a big appetite. It consumes 500 liters per 100 km. For this XDE440, equipped with a 5,300-liter fuel tank. Filling this tank costs 400,000 yuan, which is only its daily ration. Therefore, it is also known as Sinopec's strategic partner. The truck can transport 30,000 tons of ore per day. It can empty a 10 million ton mine in a year. If Yagong had it, Taihang Mountain would be, to meet the demand of 400 tons load, it independently developed the largest output torque in the world, wheel reducer, and the world's most powerful wet disc brake. When fully loaded and at full speed, it can reach 50 kilometers per hour. The price of this yellow truck is naturally not cheap. The price of each is 40 million, but compared to its efficient transportation efficiency, it is insignificant. How about such a powerful machine